NigeriaAt64. Protest in Lagos, Abuja overshadowed Nigeria's 64th Independence Day celebration. As Nigeria marks its 64th Independence Day, the streets of Lagos and Abuja are filled not with celebration but protests. Thousands of citizens have gathered in these major cities to voice their concerns over rising living costs and economic hardship. In Abuja, a united front of protesters gathered in the Itapo area, proudly waving Nigerian flags and holding banners with powerful slogans like "End Bad Governance" and "End High Living Costs." The scene in Lagos was no different, with demonstrators coming together at the Ikeja underbridge, disrupting traffic on what should have been a public holiday. The demonstration, tagged Fearless in October on social media, comes just 2 months after the August #EndBadGovernance protests. Both movements share similar themes, with young Nigerians calling for a reversal of recent government policies. Prominent activist Omoyele Sowore was seen among the Lagos protesters who planned to march to the Gani Fawemi Park in Ojota to continue their demonstrations. Despite government warnings, peaceful protesters have sprung up across several of Nigeria's 36 states. Security forces, while maintaining a visible presence, have respected the peaceful nature of the demonstrations. President Bola Tinubu's economic reform are at the heart of these protests, particularly the removal of fuel subsidies and the unification of foreign exchange rates. These policies have led to a dramatic increase in energy costs, with petrol prices more than 5-fold increase and electricity tariff quadrupling since Tinubu took office in May 2023. In his Independence Day broadcast, Tinubu acknowledged the hardship faced by Nigerians and asked for patience, assuring citizens that his administration is working to implement measures to address the rising cost of living. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates.